yes, very important day and the special woman in my life. And because of them, whatever I am there today. To start with the very first one, my mother, lovely woman from village, but she had never kept us anything which will keep us within boundaries. But yes, by the days went, I had my partner. We married each other, but there were ups and downs in life. A girl who was from a very rich family came to my house in Chaul. It was a commendable decision, very brave decision made by her, and overcoming the differences between the families. But yes, compassion played very important role. She started learning something about beauty, and she started that in 2000. But yes, over the lane, she has just climbed the ladder, and she has now become a celebrity makeup artist. And the challenge of makeup artists is the long shifts and the corporations which are required, because we all three are professional. My daughter, I'll talk about, is a doctor, and she has also her long hours. Nalini has her long hours, and I am the one. So the golden rule was, if we have to cook dinner, if we have to wash clothes, whoever reaches first in the house will do that. No distinction of genders. So again, I would say every husband should have, every brother should have this, and every father should have this notion that yes, we are human beings. Being human is important. So if we be human, we are all on same platform. So here is a message to each and every woman around here. All the best for the future life.
Hi guys, this is Zeb Chaudhary, proud husband of Sadia Chaudhary. So I'm here to wish my lovely wife Happy International Women's Day. My wife इतनी सी है, पूरा घर संभाल लेती है यार. सच में यार, कभी कभी लगता है कि कितना कुछ करते हैं यार ये वुमेन्स लोग को. अगर तुम घर बैठे बैठे अगर नोटिस कर रहे हो, मर्दों अगर तुम नोटिस करते हो, तो अरे यार, मैं तो सिर्फ में बच्चे, घर, किचन, पानी, ये वो, गैस, भाजी, एंड द लिस्ट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन. एक बहुत भारी आइडिया देता हूँ फॉर ऑल द मैन लिसनिंग टू मी. वाइफ लोग जब किचन में हो ना, खाना बनाते रहते हैं, है ना, जस्ट गो स्टैंड देयर विद देम, टॉक टू देम, हग देम, टेल हर क्या खाना बना रही है यार तू, एंड यू विल सी. Salute women's every woman, I really salute you guys.
Hi, my name is Ali Rukdikar and I'm the husband of a fantastic baker, Amreen Rukdikar. She had this, always had this love for making bakery items and cupcakes and cakes and whatnot, and I think during the lockdown she got this chance and she was fantastic at it, and all I could do, I mean, I don't have the necessary skills to do something like that, but I do enjoy eating, and the least I could do for my wife was help her in the marketing and help her mix those menus, use my skills, and जितनी उसकी मदद कर सकता हूँ मदद करता हूँ, and I help her with motivate her in all respects and make sure that she gets all the support, because she is a fantastic woman and she is a fantastic cook. If she wants to take that forward, I guess it is my duty to help her with that. Apart from that, I love you, Amreen, and keep up the good work. Happy Women's Day to everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Nikesh. I got married to my college friend Shweta. It's been more than 14 years since we know each other, and it's been a great journey so far. She's also my business partner. She's the one who's taking care of our house also, And honestly, it's a thankless job because the way she's managing our business and the house is truly commendable. And this is her office desk, but just because of her kid, she's not coming to office these days, but she's managing it online and she's taking care of the kid and the family and the house as well. So do take some time to appreciate all the females in your surrounding, in your family. They are doing amazing jobs. At least the least we can do is appreciate the hard work. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Mateen Panna, and on this beautiful occasion of International Women's Day, I too would like to share something. See, for one thing, I have always felt, whatever kind of woman you have in your life, if she loves you, she will love you unconditionally. Be it your mother, be it your wife, be it your sister, be it your daughter, they will always love you, they will always be there for you, no matter what the situation is right now in your life. So having said that, see what little things that men can do, to reciprocate and give back to this unconditional love and support that we receive all the time. But something that I personally do is, so if there's something that has piqued her interest, I will always, support her in that endeavor, and I'll give her complete support, and I'll always give her good feedback or constant feedback about how she's faring with that endeavor. Be it a new hobby, be it learning a new recipe, or be it a new business idea that she wants to pursue or something. Just be supportive of that fact. And the other thing is, just love her. So yes, and in these difficult times, I think everyone must have realized, how important a woman is in their life. So keep loving, keep spreading love, and keep respecting women.
हेलो, मैं सभी लेडीज़ लोगों को, वुमन लोगों को आज वुमेंस डे के बारे में विश करता हूँ। एक्चुअली मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है क्या वुमेंस डे मनाने के बजाय हर रोज़ हर दिन ही वुमेंस डे होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उनका अपने लाइफ में इम्पोर्टेंस ही इतना है। क्या हर दिन भी अगर हम लेडीज़ डे या वुमेंस डे मनावे तो भी हमारे लिए कम है, क्योंकि वुमेन तो वो है तो मेन है, ऐसा एक्चुअली मुझे ऐसा लगता है। और ख़ास करके हमने उनके लिए एक काम तो ज़रूर करना चाहिए, क्या जब कभी भी हमको मौका मिले उनकी तारीफ़ करने का, छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ है, खाना अच्छा बना दिया तो तारीफ़ कर दो, कुछ अच्छा काम कर दिया, कुछ अच्छी बात कर दी तो तारीफ़ कर दो, अपने रिलेटिव्स के साथ में अच्छा व्यवहार किया तो तारीफ़ कर दो। तो उनकी तारीफ़ करने का जो मौका है ना, वो नहीं चूकना चाहिए। क्योंकि बाद में क्या होता है कि जब भी कभी अपना जो पार्टनर होता है, खास करके जो अपनी औरत बीवी होती है, वो अगर चले जाती है तो अपनों को हमेशा ऐसा लगा रहता है कि यार मैं उसकी तारीफ़ नहीं कर पाया, मैं उसको ये बोलना चाहता था, मैं उसको वो बोलना चाहता था, और वो सब बातें जो है मन में क्या मन में रह जाती है। तो जिस किसी को भी मौका है, मुझे तो ये मौका नहीं है क्योंकि मेरी वाइफ 10 साल पहले ही गुजर गई, तो मैं तो जाकर के अभी भी मैं जाता हूँ कब्रिस्तान में जाता हूँ और उसके वहाँ जाकर के मैं उसको सब बता देता हूँ, सब बोल देता हूँ, जो भी मुझे मन में आता है कि भाई ये बोलने का रह गया था, तो वो मैं जाकर के याद करके उसको बोल देता हूँ। तो आपको अगर मौका है, आपकी वाइफ अगर जीवित है तो ज़रूर उसको ये बताइए कि उसमें कौन सी चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगती है। अपने देखो, अपना माँ बाप, अपना घर बर सब छोड़ के आती है और तुम्हारे माँ बाप को अपने माँ बाप बना लेती है, तो इससे अच्छी बात तो और कोई हो ही नहीं सकती। तो औरत एक बहुत ही नायाब चीज़ है, भगवान भी बना करके बाद में सोचता होगा कि यार मेरे हाथ से ये क्या चीज़ बन गई बोल करके, क्योंकि वो दोबारा ऐसी चीज़ कोई बना नहीं पाया। तो खास करके मेरी यही विनती है सब लोगों को कि जिसको भी मौका है ज़रूर उसकी तारीफ़ करो, छोटे से छोटे चीज़ में भी उसकी तारीफ़ कर दो, वो बहुत खुश हो जाती है और आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि भाई आप बिल्कुल स्वर्ग में रह रहे हो। अगर आप उसको खुश रखोगे तो आपको स्वर्ग का जो भी आनंद है वो इस दुनिया में ही मिल जाएगा। तो मेरा तो यही मतलब एज ए एक्सपीरियंस मेरी यही सलाह है कि जब भी मौका मिले उसकी तारीफ़ ज़रूर करना, क्योंकि वो है ही तारीफ़ के काबिल।